Clubhouse Infrastructure and Projects is proud to launch glorious premium living just off Hennu Road with 3 BHK homes starting at just Rs 1,388 per square foot. Call 733-866-6664. Now get healthy, nutritious, fresh and of course delicious food prepared by our home chefs delivered anywhere in Bangalore with Foodie Hive. Just call 080-471-89148.
So we're really excited for the live music. Are you? On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Actually 2.
I'm 11. I am happy with the smallest things in life. That's good. That's good. Anyway, do you want to talk about the plan tomorrow?
What is this?
What is what?
What is that?
That's not us.
How can they have it?
They are special people.
What? What? Do we have a bonfire?
Yes. We are eating cool special akhi roti with chicken curry. There's
Which we
also
had already planned before because akhi roti is very famous in
so
one of my favorites.
also in Coorg a lot of pork dishes are very famous, as well as a bamboo shoot dish which is a bamboo shoot curry. We call it kandile in Kannada.
But we both are not very fond of it.
But if you happen to come here, do give it a shot.
We are just trying chicken curry with akhi roti right now.
And we're having a fantastic time.
Let us see how
The bonfire next to us is just enlightening the entire mood of this place. A private bonfire for us at my most favorite resort that I've ever been to. The Tamara Coorg.
Good morning guys, it is 6:50 a.m. in the morning, and after the awesome bonfire yesterday, we are here. Say hi Winnie. Hi. Just woken up and we are all set to go for trekking today. So now we will show you something which will take your breath away. Look at this guys. This is the first view you see in the morning after waking up. It is, what is the time?
7 a.m. in the morning, and we are actually late by half an hour to start the trek.
Yep.
In the background you can see Mexican red rag leaf flower, so we call it Buddi ka Baal. So we are here at the top of Brahmagiri Wildlife Range. So we have Naya here, who's been a great guide who actually helped us check this entire stretch.
absolutely beautiful Brahmagiri Hills, which was an 8-kilometer trek from Tamara, was the ultimate stop for us to get rid of all the lockdown stress. These lush mountain ranges are situated on the border between Kodagu district in Karnataka and Wayanad district of Kerala. The hills stand at an elevation of 5,800 feet and the views from atop are truly stunning. You can also spot Irukku Falls from Brahmagiri Hills, which is believed to be where Ram and Lakshman stopped to quench their thirst while they were searching for Sita.
Which we thought of showing to you. Water is quite chilled. We want to wash our face with that.
Oh wow! It's so chill.
It feels so good. So, I have a bad knee pain right now. I'm just trying to complete the trek. Actually, walking up was still easy, but coming down is taking a little bit toll.
We are back from the trek and we are having breakfast at Tamara.
So this is the complimentary breakfast that we got from Tamara, and we had ordered some English breakfast.
You can see here puris, there's egg omelette, and there's a lot more coming up. This is just a starter.
Chicken sausages.
We don't eat pork and bacon, so we can order that. And there's fresh fruit juice, even this. So let's dig in. I will be updating you on what all we're eating as well. This is just a starter. Checked out of our hotel, and before actually leaving this place we thought we'll have a tour of this place.
Yeah, and this is the waterfall is the first place where after checkout where you can see it's quite peaceful over here. A very good waterfall. You can just sit here and relax.
And a few things that we actually realized is that when we were checking out, they said that the next 24 hours they'll be sanitizing our place where we were staying. They'll be using UV sanitization and all fumigation. Completely safe to travel here because they're taking so many COVID precautions over here. The event manager, he informed us about why this place is called Tamara.
Yeah.
So Tamara is in Malayalam, it means lotus.
Yeah.
And why it's called lotus is also because, as you can see, this place is situated in the middle of a forest.
So lotus grows in dirty place.
So similarly, this entire place, though it's a jungle, it's planned so well that it still has luxury and everything in this. We are at the pool right now.
Yeah, so this is a beautiful pool of Tamara.
And what I loved about this pool, you guys, is, come with me. You see that? There are stools inside your water. So it's a pool party. Like you can literally swim, sit there in your pool there. I hope you can walk. And you can order your drinks or anything. There's a bar counter here.
The thing is, sadly, due to COVID, this is non-operational right now.
Yeah.
But once the COVID is all done, you can plan to come here and enjoy the pool view.
Over here. So as you know, Tamara is they believe in sustainable living, and they use their manure, they use the cow dung as well as the urine for the coffee plantations. last spot of our tour.
And this is a beautiful waterfall behind, the largest one in Tamara. This was a short one-day trip to Tamara, and
Actually, this usually people come here for 2-3 days, and what we missed on and we really wanted to have is this private dining experience, where you can actually sit with your loved ones near a waterfall, keep your legs in this water pond.
you can experience actually what Tamara is all about. We can head back to our work and with no stress now because we are very energized.
Vlog here. Thank you guys. I hope we did justice to the vlog.
And if you really liked the video,
please do the regular drill.
don't forget to like,
share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you back in the next travel vlog. Thank you guys. Bye.